How'd you do last night?
Not good. It's always not good, you know?
Had a boys' night out last night?
Casino, yeah.
Yeah. Church us?
Yeah.
It's nice though, huh?
Yeah, it's good. They, you know, the, what you call it? The sports books, like,
Yeah.
you know, it's cool.
Yeah, I need to go.
Dave, when we gonna go?
Let's say, I need to go.
Hey, we gotta check out the steakhouse.
Yeah.
In there?
I heard it's pretty good.
Okay.
Like, not.
He got one of those pellet grills. Hadn't used it since. Like 5 years ago.
Yeah.
It's been sitting at his house. So I'm
Those
like,
are pretty good, those eggs.
yeah, no, they're nice.
Daddy, I want some shrimp.
Okay, I'll give it to you.
Oh yeah.
I mean, if you have some, sit down. Yeah, but I'm just
Perfect.
What about me and the boss?
I'm the judge.
Everybody Addison.
How is it?
Simon says,
It's good.
run in a circle.
Delicious.
Stop.
I like
Simon
it.
didn't.
Right. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, it's like brother-in-law.
Where's your daddy at?
One or two of our other friends.
How's Texas?
Man. Hot.
Sound like here. Sound like home. I told her how good the steaks were. I meant to say the shrimps were. Okay, we round the same thing.
It's 800 and something. What? So,
No way.
Thank you, Al.
Uh-huh.
280. I got 5 on it, cuz. Yeah, I hate USA. Dealing with USA eggs, it was like,
Oh yeah. Weekend starts now. Starts now, huh, D?
85,000 or maybe 500. I take it no doubt if I wanted it.
Turn that down a little bit. The G.O.D. back in the cipher. Hope I've been missed. Ready. It's growling. That's all we need to hear. Show you that sucker popping. Come on, love. Let me slow down a little bit. Get rid of the roof. It's acting bad. I've been in between dimensions. Y'all know how it go. Man, I'm gonna go run, see if I can catch the rest of this car show, and we gonna go from there. Stay tuned. Peace to all the gods in the earth. Peace to all the gods and the goddess. Peace to all the gods and the moons, or the gods and the whatever you desire. It's balance. That's all. You gotta have a feminine, then you gotta have a masculine principle. That's how you run the world.
Context. We got that context so that anytime anybody tells you that your history begins in slavery, they're lying to you, right? And remember what I said about the DNA, and we're carrying within us the memory of all of these ancestors. So geneticists know this. Now, this is some relatively new information, right? Africans have been living on the planet at least 300,000 years and lived on this planet alone. Geneticists have determined that the African genes that mutated, lost their melanin, and became white or Caucasians, those genes are just 7,000 to 8,000 years old, which means that we have a 292,000 year head start on the people who have flipped the script on us and made us think that we were slaves. No, it's a game. It's a hustle, man.
Bring all the hummus and go in the spit. And we ball like TNT. Watch these fools all pick a side. Fly like
Get rid of the roof.
come alive. Yeah.
Hold on, let me turn down. So I don't get copyrighted, because they've been acting bad. They've been acting bad. They've been acting bad. They've been acting bad. Now y'all can see the guy. There we go. Oh, I'm going too fast. Hold up. All right. Cam, fix the cam. There we go. Let's roll.
look better under you. I can't lose.
Testament to those burn. Play my position in the game of life, standing firm. On foreign land, jump the gun out into the fire, transform into the Ghost Rider. A six-pack and a street car named Desire. Who got my back in the line of...
I made it. I could get some footage. I'm gonna get some footage for us. Let's see what's popping. Let's see what's popping. Let's see what's popping. Hold on, let me go in this line, man. Let me go in this line. Let y'all check it out, man, because they got some nice cars out here. So just stay tuned. We got vets out here as usual, but let me get them. Let me see. What you got? What you got? What you got? I bet. Oh, so it's going over here tomorrow too? I bet. Some footage.
Fresh.
Big 250. All right, there we go. There we go. There we go. All right, I made it. Let me go get this up. Man, how you be? All right. Look like it. That bitch bad right there. Man, that's bad. I like that. I'll pull up in something like this. Fresh. C8 life. Alright. That's fresh too. Quick snippet, they got the vets all lit up, but I must have came a little late, but they got it tomorrow too, so it's all weekend. I got y'all. I gotta get that number.
Stop bitching, oh, I'm not your last nigga. No, that's your past nigga. Don't be daddy, smash this quicker. Got little mama fine, the way you been your ass bigger. Oh, describe it to me. She be deep with white
Peace, God. What's the science, man?
I like that, man.
Thank you. Indeed.
How you doing, man?
Peace, man. How you
Kells,
be?
my pleasure.
How rude.
Okay, man.
Indeed. What's up?
Chilling, bro.
You creeping.
Yeah, bro.
You creeping.
Looking at all them Z06s over there.
Chuck. Man.
If you're looking for them, that's what it is.
I got them. I was about to go walk this way. Yeah. How long you been out here?
Probably about 2 hours.
Really? They had more than this.
No, nah.
So this is?
Now. People started coming in.
I'm perfect timing. I thought I was late. I bet.
I think it's over at 10. It's going to be tomorrow, too.
I'm coming.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
11?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
I'm definitely going to come, man. Thank you, bruh. Thank you. Thank you. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yep. Uh-huh.
Two in the back, one in the front.
That's all. That's it. That's it. You walked around already? Okay. Say it again.
BMW stood up on that mother.
I like that. They like, all right, let's play.
Just like my pops right here, bro.
Really?
76 years young.
All right, all right. A pleasure to meet you again, bro. Yeah, that's my boy. Indeed, man. Thank you.
That's the Camaro on down.
Where is that?
The blue one.
Okay. Oh, right there. All right. Whoa, 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 whoa. That sucker clean, boy. He did that with them with that trim around the wheels. Maxim, give me some pulls on that thing right quick. Give me some pulls on it. Okay. That sucker clean, bro. I like how you did the wheels, man, with the brake calipers, man.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, that sucker bad, bro. God damn.
Dirty right now, man.
Mine is that. What kind of exhaust you got on there?
Man, that's pro speed one, all of stainless steel.
They compliment it well.
Yeah, I got headers, aftermarket catch with a muffler delete. Yeah.
Ain't putting no check engine lights on your shit? Okay, okay.
No.
Oh man, you did that. That's all you need.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get a tune put on it, but
Oh, you gonna trick it out?
yeah, I
Okay.
want supercharged.
Okay, all right. You gonna do it?
Yeah.
You gonna do it?
Yeah, I'm gonna get it on. Let me look at it. All right.
All right. You here with your people?
Yeah.
All right. All right. Peace, man. How y'all doing? I'm Haru, bro.
Mitchell.
A pleasure to meet you, bro.
All right.
You coming out here tomorrow?
Yeah, man.
All
My
right.
son gonna be out here.
And what?
got a, I don't know if he's coming in his, but he do viral vinyl.
I don't know.
That's what he did. He the one he put the strip on the rims.
That's what I said I like.
And look, and he done my interior.
That's fresh.
Yeah.
All right.
It's
All right.
viral vinyl.
You got his IG? I'm gonna put it on there.
Yeah, man.
I do YouTube.
Okay.
I'm gonna put it on YouTube, man.
I got a
All right.
but yeah,
I like that when you pulled off. I said, man, I like how you did his wheels. Okay, so your son did that. All right, bet. Man, that sucker sound hard, huh?
Me and my son, we done the exhaust everything.
Really? Well, y'all did an excellent job, man.
I say got
Okay, I got it. All right, bet. All right, I'm gonna tag it. Yeah, man. That's like a clean.
we'll be out there playing
I'm cocky bitch, when I was just humble, they didn't appreciate it. Young, wealthy, and ratchet, I'm the hood bitches motivation. On top of the world now, they try to underestimate.
Something now.
You know,
I promise.
You know, because you can go overboard and fuck it up.
That's a fact.
I done had everything.
Name a few.
Everything. Name them, dude. Nova, Super Sports,
So this where you get it from?
SS,
Yeah.
Camaro, 1LE, that's Black Widow over there, Corvette C06, GT500
Oh,
I still
yeah.
got.
Okay.
That bitch will be out here tomorrow.
Oh, you gonna bring it tomorrow?
Oh,
Time you
yeah.
coming tomorrow?
I'm coming about 12 o'clock tomorrow.
Jay, what time you
Me
coming?
and Jay. I'm parked with us
I'll
tomorrow.
park with y'all tomorrow then. Yeah.
He talking shit like he gonna help me clean my car. I might help you clean the car.
See, I cleaned that just enough.
Your shit's clean all
Thank
the
you. Yeah.
We park
Nowhere. It's like this. So say for instance, I throw on clothes, I'm fresh, right? If my car dirty, I'm dirty.
Look.
My car gotta match me.
Right. Look, we gonna bring the Camaro tomorrow. That's one tomorrow.
We gonna do that. They got something named Joe Brown too tomorrow.
Really?
Yeah.
But it's gonna be nice.
That's like a bad one. Baby, you so look good to me. All right.
Some pulls on there, Jay. Give me some pulls on it. That Z70. Oh yeah, guys. Tomorrow, 12 o'clock? Yeah. All right.
knocking down the door. Don't let me go, no. I just wanna hold you. I need no control, no. Would you let me love you? Me love you, it's all over. I lost my composure. I got love to show you. Would you let me love you? Me love you, baby. I got nothing to unwind on slowly. You belong in you, make me feel so.